So we started by taking off the front panels, crash bar, radiator, and drained it. I already started cutting into the reservoir. With the new reservoir, I cut new holes. We finished them. We're now putting on the hood and the new hood, the new fenders back on. My boy Ramon welded all of this actually. As you can see, I tried welding a little bit, but I just wasn't really comfortable welding with this type of welder. I would have to learn how to do that a little bit later on. Overall, this whole process took us about 7 hours to do, and only cost me a U-Haul, which was 50 bucks and gas. Definitely would not want to do this again, but this definitely cost me a lot less than what the shop wanted to charge me, which was about 3 grand. Now we're putting on my headlights and the radiator with the new crash bar. Just getting everything back in, so when I go home I could work on it a little bit more. With the front bumper, I had to cut it so I could put my fog lights on. That was just a quick process. I did this once before on another hood or another front bumper. I had a lot of fun doing this. This is my first time doing this, and I would never want to do it again. That was the entire process of me doing my front end. I would not want to do this again. Hopefully I don't crash again. But thanks for watching, guys. Go make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week when I go to Monterey Car Week. Later, guys.